In this video, we'll see two things: equations with two variables and quadratic equations. So let's start with equations with two variables. So we have two equations: x plus y equal 5, x minus y equal 1, and we need to find x and y. We can resolve it by substitution. By substitution means that we try to find y on the first equation and then inject it in the second equation. So we have x plus y minus x equal 5 minus x. So y equal 5 minus x. Now that we find y, so we just injected in the second equation. I have the second equation, x minus y equal 1. That means x minus 5 minus x equal 1, because y equal 5 minus x. And then x minus 5 plus x equal 1, because minus times minus is plus sign. So we have minus 5 plus x equal 1. And then x plus x equal 2x equal, and 1 plus 5 equals 6. So to get rid of 2, we divide by 2 on both sides, so we have x equal 3. Now that we find x, we just go back to the first equation, y equal 5 minus x, and then we replace x by 3, y equal 5 minus 3, so y equal 2. That's the substitution. So let's look another example here. X plus y equal 10 and x minus y equals 6. Same thing, we try to find y on the first equation by substitution. So we subtract on both sides x to find y. So y equal 10 minus x. And then we replace it in the second equation. X minus 10 minus x equal 6. Same thing, x minus 10 minus x is equal to plus x equals 6. And then we have 2x minus 10 plus 10 equals x plus 10, 16. And minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x equals 16. We divide by 2 on both sides. 2x divided by 2 is equal to x. And 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So x equal 8. Now we replace in the first equation, y equal 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So y equal 2. Easy. Last example, 2x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equal 1. So 2x plus y minus 2x equals 7 minus 2x, meaning y equals 7 minus 2x. Now we inject it on the second equation. We have x minus 7 minus 2x equal 1, meaning x minus 7 plus 2x equal 1, meaning 3x minus 7 plus 7 equal 1 plus 7, right? To get rid of 7. So we have 3x equal 8, right? So 3x equal 8, we just divide by 3 on both sides to get rid of 3. X equal 8 divided by 3. And then we replace it in the first equation. Y equals 7 minus 2x. So y equals 7 minus 8 times 2 divided by 3, which is 16 divided by 3. So 7 times 3, 21 divided by 3. Minus 16 divided by 3, which is 5 divided by 3. All right. So let's go to the second section, which is quadratic equations. Solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. To solve this equation, we just have to if we multiply two numbers to give us 6 and to add them to give us 5. These numbers are 2 and 3. 2 times 3 equals 6, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's solving by factoring. So we can write this equation as x plus 3 times x plus 2 equal 0. To make sure it is correct, we just distribute x times x squared, x times 2 2x, plus 3 times x 5x, plus 3 times 2 equals 6. So the equation is the same. So this one means that x plus 3 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. To get rid of 3, we do x plus 3 minus 3 equal 0 minus 3. Same thing for the second one. X plus 2 minus 2 equals 0 minus 2. So x equal minus 3 or x equal minus 2. Easy. So let's go for the second one. Solve x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. So which two numbers that we multiply to give us 10 and to add them to give us 7? 5 times 2 equal 10 and 5 plus 2 equal 7. So 5 and 2 are our coefficients. So x plus 5 times x plus 2 equals 0. Same thing, x plus 5 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. Get rid of 5 and we have x plus 5 minus 5 equals 0 minus 5, or x plus 2 minus 2 equals 0 minus 2. That means x equal minus 5 or x equal minus 2. The last one, x squared plus 3x minus 18 equals 0. So here we have minus 18. We should pay attention to this. For the numbers we choose, but 6 times minus 3, okay, is minus 18. 6 plus minus 3 is 3. 6 plus minus 3 is 6 minus 3, which is 3. So we have minus 18 equals 6 times minus 3, and 3 equals 6 plus minus 3. So we can write this as x plus 6 times x minus 3 equals 0, meaning x plus 6 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0, meaning that x plus 6 minus 6 equals 0 minus 6, or x minus 3 plus 3 to get rid of minus 3 equals 0 plus 3 on both sides. And here we have x equal minus 6 or x equal 3. Now the last one, but we don't gonna solve it with substitutions. So we'll solve it by quadratic formula. Quadratic formula said that if we have any equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, meaning that the coefficients that we're looking for is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This equation, we should remember it by heart. So we just replace the numbers here. So here we have x, the b is 3 in our equation, minus 3 plus minus square root of b squared, 3 squared minus 4, a is 2, and c is minus 2. Divided by 2 times a, which is 2. So here we have minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 plus 16, which is 25, divided by 4, meaning that x equal minus 3 plus 5, square root of 25 is 5, divided by 4, meaning that x equal 1 divided by 2, or x equal minus 2, because we have plus minus square root of 25, so either plus 5 or minus 5. So this is the solution for the equation using the quadratic formula. Hope it's clear, and thank you.